Make a great choice today with the 2013 Elantra. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, electronic brake control, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, trip odometer.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.